guys, welcome back to another Joe Muller fast food review. Today we are headed to Sonic and I am trying their brand new and exclusively for you, their bacon melt and classic Slinger. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we are here, we are parked, I've got my bag, and this bag looks pretty freaking full, and today when I was driving into Sonic, it is National Corn Dog Day, and every corn dog at Sonic is 50 cents, so guess what? I bought 10 of them! So here they are guys, so as an added bonus, I'm going to be trying their corn dogs exclusively for you. And they do smell very sweet, guys. All right, guys. So the whole purpose of this review is to try their Slingers. We got the bacon melt. We got the classic. And she threw in a whole bunch of ketchup for me, guys, which is very nice. Now, wow. It's a lot of food. Yeah, my son's coming home from college today, so no problems with the leftovers, guys. Sometimes you just blink an eye and they're all gone. All right, so in terms of what we paid, the bacon melt Slinger came in at a total of $2.49. The classic Slinger, $1.99. They even label it for you guys, bacon. And I guess this is the classic. All right, let me take you guys in for the much-deserved and detailed Slinger close-up. All righty, and here it is in all of its fine glory. The Bacon Melt Slinger. And check that out, guys. It's nicely toasted. And look at all of that bacon. Holy cow. And there's this cheese underneath and the Slinger, the actual patty itself. There it is. All right, and we got the classic. Let's see what this looks like, guys. Classic Slinger. We got some pickles, we got some mayonnaise, we got a nice looking, beautifully looking tomato, lettuce, cheese, and the patty underneath. All right, I'm going to give these both a shot and tell you exactly what I think. All right, first bite, wish me luck. Salute. One thing right off the bat, guys. The bacon is incredibly salty. Wow. The bun is very, very sweet, sort of counteracts the saltiness of the bacon. The patty, nice and beefy. The cheese is ooey gooey melty. It's really good, guys. No problems recommending this. Wow. On a scale of 1 to 10, guys, definitely 8+. There is quite a bit of bacon on it, though. Now, I could never say too much bacon, but this is almost there, guys. It's quite a bit of bacon. And it is very, very salty. So 8 it is. And we got the classic. I need a napkin. Now this actually tastes like a classic burger. It's got the mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, pickle, cheese, This is really, really good, guys. No problem with the Slingers, guys. That is really, really good. 8.5 on my scale. Go out and try them. Highly recommended. They're good. Now, as an added bonus, that's the size of the hot dog, guys. It's really not that big. No wonder why they're 50 cents. Anyway, this is the corn dog 50-cent special. Wow, smells sweet. All right, going in. First bite, wish me luck. Salute. The batter is nice and sweet. The dog itself is nice and salty. Both combinations work really well together. Wow, it smells like you're at a carnival, guys. This really, really smells great. These are definitely a definite hit. I don't really eat corn dogs that much, but I do like these. Oh, yeah. Very, very nice. Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, guys, 9+ on the corn dog. This is a Sonic knock it out of the park hit. Well, that was my review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We got the added bonus of the corn dog. Never expected that. But being that it's National Corn Dog Day, guess what? I thought I'd indulge. Yeah, so I bought 10, and we're going to see who's going to eat them at home. Well, my son's coming home, and Julie, I know, loves corn dogs. Well, that was my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, take care. God bless. So long.